Hello everyone, myself Tarannum and I am going to deliver a seminar on search engine optimization under the guidance of Adarsh Lakshati sir. These are the contents of my seminar topic: introduction, history, why you should use SEO, search engine basics, how search engine works, architecture of SEO, techniques of SEO, types of SEO, application, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion. Introduction. Whenever you search for some keywords in a search engine, you get a list of web results that contain that keyword. Users normally tend to visit websites that are at the top of this list, as they perceive those to be more relevant to the keyword. Have you ever wondered why some of these websites rank better than the others? Then you must know that it is because of a powerful web marketing technique called search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is an online marketing technique which helps you to bring your website on top in search engines result, thus making your website more visible to people who are looking for your product or service. SEO covers the activities you undertake to improve your website in organic search engines result. SEO is a part of broad topic of search engine marketing. Search engine marketing entails both organic and paid search. Organic and paid listings both appear on the search engine, but they are displayed in different locations on the page. History of search engine. In 1994, Yahoo launches its web directory. In 1995, Excite and AltaVista launches, which is used to bring relevant listings to the user's search queries by crawling the web. In 1998, Google launches and PageRank was developed. Basically, PageRank is an algorithm used to determine the quality and quantity of links to a page. Google updated Florida algorithm in 2004, and in 2005 nofollow tag was introduced, and this Panda algorithm and Penguin algorithm was updated by Google, which becomes a part of the core algorithm and also becomes real time with quicker data. Next one is why SEO. SEO will increase the visibility of your website on search engines. SEO will get more traffic on your websites, as 93% of traffic comes from a search engine. Search engine drive more traffic than social media because traffic works like oxygen for websites. Websites need to be ranked high in search engines, and SEO will help in ranking high in search engines, as 60% of clicks go to the top 3 websites in search engine results. SEO will also help to convert a local business into international business. Next one is search engine. Search engine is a software program that is designed to search an information on World Wide Web for a specific keyword entered by the users. Search engine uses some algorithms to determine that pages to suggest for a given search query. These are some of the popular search engines. This is the present search engine market share. Around 89% of internet search is happening on Google. Next one is how search engine works. Typically, search engine works by sending out a spider to fetch the information from websites on the World Wide Web. The spiders read the complete source code of websites. Spider moves from one website to another through the links present in that website. In this way, the spider fetches the information from billions of websites. Then the spider stores all this information to the local server. But this is not the main server of search engine. Now local server contains many different categories of information. If we directly transfer all the information from local server to the main server, then all the information will mess up. Then it becomes too complex. For this we use indexer. Indexer will indexes all the web pages based on their category. Whenever the user sends a query, then the search engine shows the relevant information from its main server in the form of SERPs. SERP is the search engine result page. Search engine rank the websites based on their content, like which websites have relevant information to the user's search. Architecture of SEO. This includes keyword research and to analyze it so that the user find out right keyword and to get their purpose solved out. Next one is build quality backlinks from several websites, but from only those websites that have valuable content. It is used to review the popularity of website. Focus more on the content. On-page optimization, off-page optimization, website promotion and SEO reporting, submit site to search engine, website analysis and ranking, traffic and time-to-time monitor of website. Let's see techniques of SEO. There are two ways of SEO, that is on-page and off-page. On-page optimization. On-page optimization is also called on-site optimization. All techniques executed on the website are on-page optimization. Techniques of on-page optimization. Keyword research and optimization. In this, we have to do a lot of keyword research. Use and implement these keywords in the content or heading or in the URL of the website. This is very important factor in on-page optimization. Content optimization. Here we need to optimize the content to make the content more valuable and beneficial for the users. Google Analytics and Webmaster Tools. Google Analytics will help you to analyze website traffic and to improve website. These help you in understanding where the traffic is coming from and how much traffic is coming, how much is coming from organic and other sites, and also which are the countries and cities they are coming from. Internal links, meta tags, URL optimization. Tools for on-page optimization: Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Screaming Frog, Google Search Console. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization is also called as off-site optimization. The techniques executed outside the website are off-page optimization. Off-page optimization techniques. Link building. Link building is a process of getting external links pointing to your website. To get external link, you have to provide high value content so that the links come to you naturally. The link should come from high quality websites because search engine value links from quality websites. Link building helps to increase the page rank of your website and also helps to increase backlinks, brand value and web traffic. Blogging. Blog, also called as weblog. It is similar to website with valuable content called blog post. You can create a blog on a domain or independent platforms such as Blogger or WordPress. Blog post helps to create valuable content for users. Blogging helps to convert the traffic into leads. Guest blogging. Guest blogging is a method used by bloggers or website publishers to write high quality articles on others' blog with an objective of driving traffic to their website or blog. Email marketing. Email marketing basically means using emails as a marketing tool to send emails to planned customers, to disseminate quality information on products or service. Here, we have to provide the valuable content to make users subscribe to your content and email to only those who subscribe your content. Content marketing. Content marketing is a new marketing technique used to create and publish valuable content on the web for users with the objective of promoting business. It is a win-win situation for both companies and customers. Tools for off-page optimization. Authority Labs, BuzzSumo, Cognitive SEO, Link Miner plugin. Types of SEO. SEO has 3 types: white hat, black hat, and grey hat SEO. White hat SEO. White hat SEO is considered as organic SEO. In this, we follow all guidelines of search engine. It is a slow process, but it provides long-lasting growth in rankings. White hat SEO builds user trust and authority, and also improve the online reputation of your website. Black hat SEO. Black hat SEO is considered as unethical SEO. In this, we not follow the guidelines of any search engines. Black hat SEO provides quick and short-lasting growth in rankings. If you use black hat SEO, then search engines can add your site in blacklist. Techniques of black hat SEO. Article spinning. Suppose we want to design a content for our website, and if we copy the content of another website, then there will be content duplicacy. For that type of content, article spinning is used. Article spinning softwares replace some of the words from that content with their synonyms. By doing this, a new content will develop which we can upload on our website. Hidden text. In this, we try to hide our text. This can be done by selecting the same color for the text and background of our website, or by setting the font size of text to 0. Or we can place the image in front of text so that the user is unable to see that text. Hidden links. It is same as hidden text. Just replace the text with link. Keyword stuffing. In this, we put many number of keywords by which the users get confused and reach our website. Grey hat SEO. Grey hat SEO is combination of white hat SEO and black hat SEO. Application. SEO is applied on websites contents like image, audio, video, etc. Advantages. Relevant and targeted traffic to your website. Top ranking in search engines. Clients come to you. Global reach. Greater visibility and popularity. Enhanced online sales. Boost business efforts. Maximize your return of investment. Low cost advertising and high rate of return, making your website both search engine friendly and user friendly. Disadvantages. You get noticed by non-targeted audience or customers. Over success. Your position on SERP is unpredictable. Conclusion. SEO is organic process and takes time. SEO is an effective tool for improving the volume and quality of traffic to your website. Visibility in the search engines will drive traffic to your site that will potentially convert to sales, leads, downloads, and purchase. Search engine optimization. If successfully implemented, will definitely change websites' total turnout for online business or activities.